So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to invest in Canadian high dividend ETFs here through the Moomoo application. So open up Moomoo. Once that is done, I want you to go to the bottom left and press on the markets icon. Once you're here, I want you to slide this top bar to where it says ETFs. And where it says US right now, I want you to press on CA so that's highlighted, that orange color. And once you're here, I want you to scroll down towards this high dividend yields right here. So now what you see right now is a whole bunch of different high-paying dividend ETFs here that are from the Canadian market. So you have ticker symbol HUTS. So if you want to sort it by dividend yield, you can go ahead and do that if you want to sort it by dividend frequency. So for example, if you're looking for monthly dividends or whatever the case may be, quarterly dividends, you can kind of sort it out that way. If you want to view the pay date or the X date or the price or whatever, you have a whole bunch of different options right here. The turnover option right here, and whatever the case may be. The MER as well, it's right in front of you. So if you're looking for high paying Canadian dividend ETFs, this option right here will show you about what's being presented. Do your own research, of course. This is not financial advice whatsoever, but I just wanted to show you guys how you guys can find and identify and ultimately invest in Canadian high dividend ETFs here on Moomoo. So thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.